Salamat kaayo ka.
Giving such a lovely tune.
Love you na.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change and let you beautiful. You should change your name to make tears impossible.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
To Mama Len, the amazing mother. Your birthday deserves all the amazing colors of celebration. You are the best mother in all the land, Ma. Thank you sa tanan nimong kaayo, diri namo tanan, Mama. Salamat sa pagpangga namo ug pag-atiman ug sa tanang sakripisyo ninyo ni Papa, Mama. Unta, tagaan pa kag maayong panglawas ug taas pa nga kinabuhi sa atong Ginoo. Laban lang tas kanunay, Mama. Love kaayo ka namo tanan. See you soon, Mama. Miss you and happy birthday. Love, gikan sa imong mga anak.
Such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
You should change your name to laughter. You bring joy to every room. All the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change and let you beautiful. You should change
Love you na.
Did if I change your name to something new? Would you think it childish if I changed my name to I?